Welcome to our Exposed Lotto video about Lotto strategy for Pick 3. There are three primary types of Lotto strategies for Pick 3, the 123 rundown, the 123 Pick 3, and the 317 rundown. Of these, the 317 rundown seems to be the most popular. Each has its advantages and disadvantages. Here are the main differences between them and their pros and cons. You may want to try one or both, depending on your preferences. This video will explain all three types in more detail. 3-wheel lottery strategy. If you're considering playing the lottery, a 3-wheel lottery strategy might be an excellent way to boost your winnings. The wheeling system uses 3 sets of numbers, referred to as groups AB, BC, and CA. When you play using these combinations, you're almost guaranteed to win. You can check out this example wheeling system and find out which numbers it can help you hit. Then, you can use it to make sure that your next ticket has the same combination as your first one. There are many ways to choose your numbers, but the most common is the abbreviated and full wheels. This system will give you a smaller number spread, which will increase your odds. Using a lucky number generator is also an option, as is the Pick 3 and Pick 4 strategies. These methods will help you find the best lottery numbers based on a number generator, and combining all three strategies can increase your winnings. The wheel method allows you to generate all combinations of a 3-digit combination. You need to select a group of numbers, and the wheel method will generate all combinations from them. However, these combinations may not match your number selections. So, it is important to remember the odd-even pattern when choosing a combination. Moreover, the wheel method will make your picks more diverse than the other lottery methods. So, if you are planning to play the lottery with a 3-wheel lottery strategy, it is important to know what your number combinations are. If you're not familiar with the wheeling system, it's important to know that it is a very complex system. It focuses on mathematics to boost your odds of winning by enhancing the coverage of your desired numbers. Using the wheeling system, you'll be able to maximize your chances of winning multiple tiers of prizes. However, the main advantage of this system is that you can play with larger numbers and increase your chances of winning. 123 rundown. The 123 rundown lotto strategy is similar to the 317 rundown strategies, but instead of substituting 3 numbers for the 00 and the winning numbers, it uses the number 123 to substitute them. Start by picking 3 columns from the most recent draw in your state and add them to the 123 at the top. When you pick 5 or 6 numbers, you'll end up with a much higher chance of winning because more combinations are possible. You can also try combining 123 rundown lotto strategies with Pick 3 lotto strategies. Using the latest draw, add up the numbers according to the method given, and then watch your ticket come up with dozens of possible combinations. Using this method is easy and allows you to generate a large number of combinations quickly. While it's true that the lottery is a game of chance, you can still win a lot of money with these strategies. Using lottery science to find hot numbers and mirror numbers is another good way to boost your chances of winning. The lottery date number is a good example. If you have a winning number, you can convert it into a pair and play it accordingly. If you've ever won a lottery, you may want to give lottery science a try. These techniques are based on research and experience. 317 rundown. The 317 rundown is one of the most popular Pick 3 lottery strategies. It provides a week's worth of numbers and is particularly useful in evening and midday draws. For example, if you have a ticket for the September 6, 2017 midday draw in Florida, you'll have an excellent chance of hitting a winner with this lotto strategy. In other words, it's a good way to ensure that you'll always have numbers to play the next time. The 123 rundown and the 317 rundown are the 2 most common lotto strategies, although there are many more. Using a combination of these 2 strategies is probably the safest way to win. These strategies can be combined with other lottery strategies such as software and the tic-tac-toe method so that you can generate a list of lucky numbers that will match your preferences and improve your chances of winning. If you're new to the game, the 317 rundown is an excellent choice. This simple strategy involves adding 3 numbers to arrive at the total. You can use any other numbers that are adjacent to the highlighted numbers. These combinations can either be hot or cold, depending on what you're looking for. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to win, try a 3-digit method that focuses on matching dates. The best way to pick the right number is by understanding the different types of lottery systems. For instance, the one-number guaranteed method creates 36 different combinations with a single digit, and it also covers more numbers. Position tracking follows a pattern, which is particularly useful if you're betting on straight numbers. The 317 rundown, on the other hand, adds 2 to each number and focuses on those numbers most often drawn. 123 Pick 3. There are many different kinds of Pick 3 Lotto strategies that you can use. Some of these strategies are easy to apply while others are more complex. No matter which type you choose, the key is to understand how they work and why they are good. Pick 3 Lotto strategies listed below, from the easiest to the most difficult. If you're not familiar with these strategies, start with one of the easiest ones to see if you're seeing the same patterns over. The purpose of Pick 3 Lotto strategies is to reduce the number of combinations available to each player and increase your odds of winning. Ultimately, though, each lottery game is still a random game of chance. Pick 3 Lotto strategies can reduce the number of combinations that each player is eligible to choose from by a factor of at least a few. The key to making this strategy work is to follow a system that's both easy to use and effective. One strategy is called lottery science. It involves adding or subtracting the numbers before the original draw date. Then, you play the numbers between the original draw. For example, if your previous draw was in February, you can use this strategy to increase your chances of winning by selecting bold numbers. You can also try using lottery science to add or subtract numbers from the last draw. By following this method, you'll know which numbers are the most likely to be winning, and will also know which numbers are hot and which ones are cold. In addition to calculating your odds, you can try to find pairs of numbers to play each week. This method involves adding or subtracting 123 from the numbers drawn. It can also be used to find a winning ticket during the week. The strategy also backtracks to state drawings and draws. This method allows you to win by matching a pair of numbers. When you win, you'll be happy to see that your picks were correct and that you've hit the jackpot. Ultimate Pick. If you're looking to increase your chances of winning the Ultimate Lotto Pick 3, you should understand how the game works. The Pick 3 game is a twice-daily draw where you choose 3 numbers from 1 to 7. You can win between $50 and $500 depending on the number of combinations you select. Listed below are the most popular Pick 3 strategies. These strategies are sorted from easy to hard. Read on to learn more. The most effective lottery strategy involves studying past winning combinations and learning how they occur most often. Then, you can make your picks based on combinations of numbers that have the highest probability of occurring. Another option is selecting 3 different numbers and betting on combinations of them. This will increase your chances of winning the Pick 3 lottery game. In addition, different numbers tend to occur more frequently in combination than the same ones. This is the method professional players use. There are many options for Play 3. There is the Easy Pick option, where the computer selects the numbers for you. If you're not comfortable with the math, you can choose a different method of selection by marking the optional place box on the play slip and telling the clerk the date and time of the next draw. It's possible to play the Ultimate Lotto Pick 3 on both day and night draws. The cutoff time is at 7:45 p.m. Pacific Time. One of the most popular Pick 3 strategies is the rundown method. Rundown strategies work by using recent draws and the latest lottery numbers. The numbers are added according to the given method, generating a large number of combinations in a short period of time. With the use of this strategy, you can increase your odds of winning the lottery game. These strategies are great for a psychological relief. However, they're not foolproof, and you must follow the instructions to maximize your chances. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.